Hi everybody, and welcome back to my small studio where I do all of my online yoga classes here at Progressive Fitness Training Center in Antioch, California. I own this space with my husband, who is known as Coach T, and he and I are both very big on form in exercise. What that means is that if you're not actually doing the exercise in good form, you're actually not getting the benefit that you're expecting to get out of that exercise. So one way that we might say it here is you can't just do things willy-nilly. If you do yoga, that is always the case. We always want form and alignment in yoga. Usually it is thought of as a safety requirement, like if you do it without good form, it's not safe. I want to introduce to you here that if you don't do it with good form, it's also not effective. I want to look at lunges in the next 2 minutes and show you what I mean about form in lunges. I'm sitting here and I want to come down to the floor in a lunge. You're going to see already many people have a problem just getting down to the floor. They need to heavily lean over and get their hands on the floor and get what I call top heavy. So I'm getting very top heavy and I get my hands onto the floor there. Well, that's not what you want. You want to be able to get to the floor, and then to get your hands up off of the floor requires actually very strong glutes. So I'm going to engage the glutes and lift up and get upright in a kneeling position. This alone is very hard for many people. Because of sitting so much, the hip flexors are tight, and the buttocks, the glutes are very weak. I know what you're thinking, but Cecily, I do squats and I do kettlebell swings. The real test is in the lunge. So here you're going to see me engage the glutes, send my hips forward and my chest up and back. From here, keeping your head up, you have to be able to step forward and back and forward and back and forward and back and forward and back, changing sides, forward and back, forward. And I mean, if you are leaning over to do this, you're out of pocket. That lunge isn't going to serve you at all. You have to be upright. We'll take one more, forward and back. Okay, I'm going to change legs and bring this foot forward. Here is the dealio exercise. All of my clients know it. Tuck the back foot. It's not about being up. It's about going down, 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 and down. The back knee touches the ground, down and down. Look at my chest is up, my shoulders back, and I'm not leaning forward. Try it on the other side. Change legs. If you're doing this with me, change legs. This is the real deal. Tuck the back toe, and you're saying, oh, my foot, my ankles, my knees, my hips. Yeah. Here is the real deal that you must get out of your lunges. 90 degrees, yes. Don't worry about the hands. Keep the chest up. Lift a little bit, and then it's down, 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 and down, 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 and down. Give me 4 more. 4, 3, 2, and 1. You want to sit back on the sofa, pivot through your feet, and have a seat. Should not have to lean over. Okay, that's my tip for today. This is just a first look at lunges with me, Yogi Cecily, here at Progressive Fitness Training Center in Antioch. You can find me on YouTube, of course, Yogi Cecily, and on Instagram, Cecily_Yogi, and you can find me on Twitter as Cecily Guest, the last name Guest, like a guest in your home. See you soon.